Oh, it's almost like a castle. What a lovely sight. It's like in a movie. And we're still playing with our drone. What a beauty. And I don't know what this is. A tower? We got lost. I don't know where we are. Oops. Upon arrival at the Pine Lodge, Florence. Yeah. Hold on a second.
Thank you. Hi, good morning.
Pay on the machine?
You can do it here, there, or we can do it with me.
Oh, with you.
Yeah, okay, perfect. Let me just log in real quick. Okay. It'll be $10.
Okay.
Little Sugar Pine.
Sugar Pine. Okay,
Sugar
yeah.
Pine, like campground.
I think I passed it.
We have a Davies. This is our Davies, and we have a campground.
Gotcha.
They're all
gotcha.
kind of in the same park.
Okay.
Yeah, that's your jar side windshield,
There you go.
and then here's your card.
Thank you.
Got it.
Have a great day. Oh, Polanco. Yeah? Okay, it's called Sugar Pine Point. All right, let's see what it says. Welcome to Edziberg. Edziberg Sugar Pine Point. 2 miles of waterfront and acres. Okay, where are we? No dogs in the winter. Well. Mix. Oh, dito. Hi, morning. Hold on. Wait just a second. Running slope, trail lodge, surface type, asphalt. Okay. Ah, very relaxing. Whee! I know. We were told at the registration that we have to stay on the paved or cemented area. So, sorry. Okay, so we are here. Pine Lodge. Oh, there's a mountain lion. Okay, but we're close. I can see the water. Hold on. I'm trying. I'm getting the hang of this drone. Now this one, I like it, but there's no sound. But it's just keep following us. I like it a lot. And Polanco, he looks very natural. Flowers. crammed one. Oh. That's 50 feet. It's beautiful surroundings, very well maintained, and we are lost, so we better get back to the track before we get in trouble. Whose mansion is this? Very pretty. Wow. Must be nice if you live here with this kind of view. Oh, it's almost like a castle. Oh. Gosh, the weather's so great. No wind. This is what you call relaxation. Okay, so what an adventure. Oh, so here it is. Upon arrival at the Pine Lodge, Florence Flo Hellman Ehrman greets you for a tour of the grounds. Everything is comfortably placed. Imagine boarding a train in San Francisco for the long overnight trip to Taos City in the early 1900s. Beautiful. I don't see a garbage. Hopefully that one is. The trees are big. This place is actually very pretty. I'm liking it. 2 miles of waterfront. Okay, this way, Polanca. What a beauty. Unbelievable setting. Oh, would have been nice. Very nice if you live here. It's great. And then this one, probably small cottages. And then they made it as a restroom. Wait for me, Polanca. It's a souvenir shop on your right side. You can purchase the tickets and get some souvenirs and merchandise. All right, Polanka, you ready to swim? You got your life vest. Yeah, see the other doggy has a vest too. Yeah, you ready to swim? Come on. Let's go. Come on, sweetie. Come. Come on. Come on. Whoa. Malamig. Polanka. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go swimming. Come on. Come on, Polanka. The water is so nice. Come on, I'll go swim too. Come on, Polanka. You ready? Polanka. Come on. Oops. Oh, it got windy. It wasn't earlier. It makes the water more colder. No wonder why Polanka doesn't want to swim. Polanka, you're so cute, Polanka. Oh, here comes the wind. Here comes the wind. Very windy here. Polanka, you're so cute. Alright, Polanka had enough. It would have been nice if the weather is good. Oh, it got really windy. Oh, it's so pretty though. Oh well. Oh well. You can't fight Mother Nature. Right, Polanka? Oh, sorry. I startled you. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Did you enjoy? Oh, I know you did. You see? The other dog are swimming. Huh? You didn't swim much. Yeah? It's okay. It's okay. All right. Let's head home.